Why are there not more people talking about brooding chicks? It's easier than you think. First, set up a cozy brooder. Think of it as a chick nursery. Keep it warm with a heat lamp around 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, chicks love toasty toes. Next, give them space to roam. Crowded chicks are cranky chicks, and no one likes a cranky chick. Provide fresh water and chick starter feed. It's their version of a five-star buffet. Don't forget to change it daily. Cleanliness is next to chickliness. Finally, keep an eye on their health. Happy chicks are lively and curious. If they're huddled together, they might be cold. Spread out, they're just right. And there you go. Follow these tips, and you'll have peeping happy chicks in no time. Happy farming, folks.